a cutie, I can send it to my wife. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Hey, what's up? It's Tuesday. It has been 2 days since went to Target in the mall, but I was just like, you know, I'm not doing anything Monday, so like might as well not put it in. Today I am going to Ikea for the first time. Oh my gosh, I know I'm so uncultured. Excited. I was gonna put on makeup, but then I was just like, you know, like I don't really feel like it, you know, love yourself, accept yourself. So I will see you guys in, I need to think of a cool transition. What can I do? I'm gonna see you guys in Ikea. A curly head, a cutie, I can send it to my wife. Hey Natalie.
They have chocolate sauce.
We're at the mall again.
Let's go over there and see what they have. Look at a picture of it. Yeah.
I'm gonna just... Okay. That is so cool. This is nitrogen. I guess you can like breathe out nitrogen afterwards. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Hey girls.
This is so cool. Oh my god. That's not bad. It's not dry. Give it a wipe. On the bottom, yeah. Yeah, that's what I meant. I want to have red coat eyes.
Yeet. So me and Natalie are looking at apartments. We're 18. We're just, we're gonna get something together, we think. And yeah, we're looking around. It's pretty nice. Just kidding. We're at Ikea.
Nice segue, nice segue. As you can see here.
Look at that, $4,000.
Stuff in here.
These are like, this is the kind of apartment that I love these lights. It's so cute.
It's like craft room.
Chillin'. Oh wow, look at that. Just like recording everything. Don't you wish that you could just like live here? Stay here all day?
I wish.
Like, I never realized how much I wanted to decorate an apartment until I came here. But this all seems so expensive. But this is so cute.
It's in the marketplace.
Look at your hooks. You can put your headphones on them.
That's adorable.
Coats and stuff.
Casual.
We love this. I love the world thing.
Wait, you need to arch back more.
Natalie, here.
The real ballerina fixing all the problems. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? This reminds me of Stranger Things. Will, is that you? I actually love this. Like, there's enough drawers for me to keep all my things. A nice lamp. Oh, there's a mirror. I wonder, is this a closet?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute too.
Look.
Okay. Let's look at what this desk can do. I never knew desks could move. So what do you think?
I'm comfy.
Yeah, it's very nice. The chair that I'm sitting in is like, you can't really see it, but I like it. It's very professional. I'm finding so many good like apartment products. Like, I just want to get an apartment, but I'm 15, but it's fine. I'll just get one. This is so weird. Just imagine like waking up in the middle of the night.
Hey, let's see.
Smart. Look at how beautiful. Two beautiful things.
No.
Looks so good. So we found the outside. Just kidding, we're still in Ikea.
We're still in Ikea.
Oh my gosh. Plot
Picnic on the
twist.
grass. And then there's gray grass over here and Bella's on pink grass. And then we got gray grass because
Gray grass.
kind of dead.
That's such a mouthful to say. Say that 5 times fast.
Gray grass, gray grass, gray grass, gray grass.
Gray grass, gray grass, gray grass. It's so weird.
Sounds like we're saying, I don't know what we're saying. We're full and we just need a nap.
I just need to like lie down and nap. I got this. What is that?
Hey, we should collab.
Hey Natalie, it seems like this lamp could be hung up with only a rod. I actually like those lights. Those are really pretty. Two pretty things in the frame.
Oh my god.
I love doing that to you.
When we're done, get ready.
Like,
Look at these. These are like.
ooh. This is so pretty. Who's that?
Hey Bella, is this for the video? Okay guys, I finished Kylie Jenner's lip challenge. What do you guys think?
I think you look amazing.
I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna take a nap right here.
Good night.
I feel like with friends, I'm so, like with you, I'm like so much more like, I'm so much more open to doing like crazy things and just being crazy in public and carrying around a camera in public. Like,
You don't do that already?
like, you know, I'm not as open about it.
Hey Bella, Bella, do you ever just look at stars?
That's a lot.
Because I look at one whenever I see you. And she died. I'm vlogging now for Bella because she's dead with the comments and
Why? Oh, how she's dead.
Bella can't come to the phone right now. She's dead. It's pretty lit in here. Pretty lit. You like bananas?
I'm okay with them. You know, it's just a lot of potassium.
Wait, where's that?
There. Up at the top.
Oh. I thought you were saying potassium, and I was like,
It's a lot of.
it doesn't say potassium.
It's a lot of potassium.
That took me a long while. That's so cute.
I really don't know what else to say about myself here. This is what I do in my free time, guys. You know, we can fix that.
Natalie, if we run away, we'd be fugitives.
I second that.
That was good improv.
All of this is improv.
We're so basics.
I'm so done. I'm so done.
You can't fix being basic. Hey Natalie, weren't you born in January? Just kidding, she's born in April, I know that. April 14th.
This is just us kind of.
I love that movie, Finding Nemo. Let's go to Hollister. Hollister.
I got them.
Bats.
Bats.
Mosquitoes. Potter Potter. Christopher, say Potter Potter.
Potter Potter.
You know,
FOMO.
it's a photo. He likes getting some photos.
Christopher likes taking photos. I think he was taking a selfie of us.
Let's go.
Oh, baby, look what you've done to me. Oh, stop focusing. It's fine.
Really? Should be wearing a mask?
But why? You're so pretty without one.
Oh, so that's not how we're gonna play it, huh? You really are a monster.
Ooh, it's act all cute.
Good morning. Good morning.
I am Groot.
And I'm Salt Lord.
Star Lord.
Let's see, how many of these can we make in one video? Too many. Too many. Too many. Height of my career.
Can we have a sleepover for just one night? Just kidding, we did 2 days in a row.
Maybe in the winter. Or the summer.
Oh, there are good candles here. Hi, Natalie.
Are those all for me?
Thank you everybody. I know, I'm truly an honor and I'm just gonna...
All for me?
Here, just so you know, you're the prettiest in the bunch.
Aww.
Oh, I took two. Okay. Wait, we gotta take. I'm gonna get
I love
these
my
ones.
girlfriend.
Wait, I'm gonna get these ones.
Oh gosh.
We gotta hide behind her being like.
We're crazy, it's fine.
I always do this in Ikea.
You don't?
Screenshot this guys, like.
Sucking your crush leg. 3, 2, 1, go! Here's your phone. Britney Spears?
This can make like a nice belt.
Belt? What keeps your pants up? Belt.
Bella, I know it's been a long day, but I really lacked on these jokes today. There's not a whole lot of I've been making.
And you're just pining for attention.
And it's hard, you know? You know, I wish we brought Joseph with us. No.
Joseph would have loved this.
And he could have probably brought his drone.
Get better angles at the store.
The only problem is that he might have brought his knife.
Yeah, Joseph gets pretty violent apparently.
I'm on a roll. I don't know where Mom got this.
She's just like, catch!
Hey Bella, you think this is a snake or a dragon?
That was good.
Thank you, thank you. I am only the best of celebrities.
I love Thor and his otter. I love Thor and his father, Odin. What's happening? What's happening?
That's why I want to get one of those. I was like, no, we shouldn't. And I'm like, come on, guys, I'm trying to be urban. Trying to get with that urban life, though.
Those views.
Okay.
Carlos Snapchatted you. Who's Carlos?
A friend of mine.
Are you cheating on me? How dare you?
I'm sorry, this had to go now, but you know.
Or could it be Martin?
Why was I gonna make that joke?
I'm gonna end up friend.
But bro. Bro. I feel like we could get along with the people next door and maybe, you know.
Oh.
And we can diet.
Oh shit. Okay.
This way. Bella, we can't even have a diet.
Okay.
You guys vlogging?
Hey guys, I know that you're going to notice, so I'm just gonna say it now. I did get braces for 3 weeks. I will be doing a rant and story time about that in my next vlog, which will be next week. So, stay tuned. So basically what happened at Ikea when I turned off the camera, these boys just kind of sped to us. Like they saw me filming and they were like using the carts and just like running around and then goofing off or whatever. And they zoomed towards us, like almost hitting us. They stopped in time. I was kind of like, okay. Then they were like, are you vlogging? And I'm like, yeah. So they were just kind of being really annoying. So they were just kind of being kind of like annoying and bothering us. I'd say these guys were like at least 17, probably 18, like the least. And we are 5 foot, very tiny girls that we're not intimidating and we're not unapproachable, like we're very approachable. So there's that. And they were these tall 6 foot at least guys that like pretty much like men. I don't want to say men, they were like young adults, but it was just like really weird. And so they were saying my dog has like this disease, and we were asking around for money, and I like the guy never finished a sentence because his friends kept cutting him off, but he was trying to ask for money from me. I was like, what? So it was just kind of like really uncomfortable, and I was like, and then when they asked for money and they started to curse or whatever, and I was like, okay, bye. And so then me and Natalie, we left, and they kept saying, what's your name, like what's your YouTube channel, I want to look you up. But I was just like, you'll find it, just like not giving them my information. So when we turned the corner, we ran to the end of the aisle because we were in those like tall, very Costco like structures. If you haven't been to an Ikea, like it was like a warehouse style, so no one could see us or hardly like hear us, so like we ran to the end. And then Natalie stopped me. She was like, Bella, like they're looking for us, we can't go out at the end or else they're gonna see. So I'm like, okay, you right. So we just kind of like hid for a minute, and then they came out, and it was just very uncomfortable and like really awkward, especially for people who like, you know, have trouble with social interaction sometimes. So it was just really weird, and like also awkward that they were looking for us when we ran away. Like they were like shouting for us. It was just like really weird. Bronzer looks pretty good. I look so pale. Guys, I look so pale, and like look at my arm. Look at my face. But yeah, overall, I had a really fun time at Ikea. We had a lot of fun, a lot of laughs, so much fun. So yeah, the next time I go, I will be sure to vlog my experience. And the food was 10 out of 10. I loved it. I guess to end this vlog, I'm just going to say, if you see like just like tip of the day type thing, like Adeline Moore, I love how she does that. Tip of the day type thing. If you see someone with a camera that like you don't really know or you aren't friends with, please don't like aggravate them. Please don't harass them, because it's a really uncomfortable situation, and if they're holding a nice camera, it makes them feel really unsafe. So just please be smart. And also another tip, appreciate your friends and always be grateful and never take them for granted. Yeah, okay, love you guys. I'll see you in the next vlog where you'll find out why I got these and how long I'm getting them for. So I'll see you next week. Bye.